Square Capital Business Loan Review. Still good? Links to the products were added to the description. Square Capital, now operating as Square Loans, remains one of the simplest and fastest financing options for small businesses already using Square for payment processing. The key strength of Square Loans is that there's no traditional application process. Instead, eligible businesses receive pre-qualified loan offers directly in their Square dashboard based on their historical card sales, making the entire experience frictionless and incredibly fast. Funding often arrives the next business day after accepting the offer, which is a major advantage for businesses that need capital quickly to cover inventory, payroll, or unexpected expenses. Loan amounts can range from a few $100s to well over $100,000, entirely dependent on your sales volume and processing history. What really sets Square Loans apart is the repayment structure. Instead of monthly payments or accruing interest, you pay a single fixed fee upfront, and repayment happens automatically as a small percentage of your daily sales. This makes cash flow management much easier for businesses with fluctuating revenue, because on slow days, you pay less, and on busy days, you pay more. There are no late fees, no hidden charges, and no penalties for paying early, which adds to the predictability. However, there are trade-offs to consider. While the one-time fee keeps things simple, it often results in a relatively high effective APR, especially for businesses that repay the loan very quickly. Another downside is lack of control. You cannot apply whenever you want. You must wait for Square to extend an offer, and some businesses may go months without receiving one. Square also requires you to meet minimum repayment thresholds, which might be challenging during extended slow periods. Square Capital is made for small business owners who already rely heavily on Square processing, need a quick infusion of capital, and value convenience over securing the absolute lowest rates. It works particularly well for restaurants, retail shops, salons, and other high-transaction businesses. If you want a fast, automatic, stress-free financing option tied to your sales, Square Capital is still a strong and relevant choice.